The judges are ready to speak now.
My heart is beating so fast.
We truly believe in you, Mom.
And the winner of this contest is...
This blue looks just right today. I really love this quiet time.
Mom, this painting is so pretty. You are the best painter ever. Is that our own garden, Mom?
Yes, painting always makes me happy. Thank you so much, my sweet loves.
Did you always love to paint, Mom?
Yes. Since I was a little girl.
Let's go to the art fair today.
Yes! I really love the fair. Can we bring your painting, Mom?
Okay. Just for fun then, I guess. It is really not very special.
Look! A real famous artist is here. His paintings are so big and shiny.
These paintings are absolutely stunning to see.
Yes, that is the famous Mr. Lawson. He is visiting our town this month.
My mom paints beautiful pictures too.
Really? I would love to see it.
My mom paints every single afternoon.
That is a lovely habit to have.
It is just a small painting.
This is just a hobby. It is simply not real art.
Oh, I see. That is all right.
My mom is the best painter in the world. She really is the very best.
I have a fun idea for you two. A painting contest with 3 rounds.
The winner's painting hangs in our gallery. It will be in the newspaper too.
Fine. I happily accept this challenge.
When does this contest begin, Reyes? This Saturday, right here at the fair.
The whole town will surely come watch.
And you, Grace? Will you join us?
Wait. I am not a real artist. I could never really beat him.
You paint from your heart, Grace. That is real art too, Grace.
Please, Mom. Please just say yes. We want to see your painting on the wall.
Okay. I will really do it.
Yes! Let us go, Team Mom. Come on, everyone. Go, Team Mom.
He is so famous and skilled. I am just an ordinary painter.
You are more than that, Grace.
Just paint what you truly love, Mom. Mom! Look what I made for you! This little rock will make you brave.
Thank you, sweetie. I needed this today. I will keep it right here.
How do you make orange, Mom?
Red and yellow make orange, look. Blue and yellow make green, too.
Wow! That is like real magic!
No, this does not look right.
Try again. Take your time, Grace.
Here, Mom. You can do this.
Paint something that is truly yours, Grace.
I finally finished my practice painting.
It truly looks wonderful, Grace. Well done.
You are ready for this, Mom. I am so excited for tomorrow.
I could not practice without all of you.
Welcome, everyone, to the final day. Today, we will have 3 rounds. Each round has a new theme.
Round 1. Paint the fountain exactly. This will be very easy for me.
Mr. Lawson has painted for 30 years.
Okay, I can only try my best.
Come on, Mom, you can do it!
Every line must be perfectly straight.
Slowly now, just breathe and paint.
Round 1 goes to Mr. Lawson.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
We judge the skill and the feeling. His brushwork truly is very precise.
I was too nervous that time.
It's okay, Mom. Please don't worry. There are still 2 more rounds.
Take a slow, deep breath, Grace.
You have already come so far.
Thank you for always believing in me.
Can I have a lucky rock too? No, Max. It is only for Mom. Do you think Mom can still win?
I believe she can do anything. Round 2. Paint a memory that makes you smile. Round 2 goes to Grace. Wonderful. That painting has real feeling in it. That is the day Ellie was born.
I still remember that happy day. I was so small back then. That tiny baby is really me.
It is one of my happiest days.
Thank you for painting me, Mom.
You are my little sunshine, Ellie.
No one paints like this without help. What do you mean, Mr. Lawson?
Someone must be helping her win.
That is not cheating at all. That is really love, Mr. Lawson. I gave her that rock myself.
Well said, young man. Well said. Final round. Paint what matters most to you.
I will paint a great mountain view. Everyone here will surely admire it.
Every mountain here is perfectly shaped.
She looks calmer than before somehow.
I know exactly what I will paint. My mother taught me to paint by that window.
She is not here anymore.
What was she truly like, Mom?
She had kind eyes, just like yours.
I miss her so very much. But I still feel her here. Every window still holds her light.
I did not know that, Mom.
This painting finally feels just right.
Time is up. Bring your paintings forward. The technique here is truly excellent. Every single line is perfectly straight.
But it feels a little cold. Perhaps I worked too hard on it. I only tried my very best.
This one feels deeply honest and warm. It truly feels just like home.
What do all of you feel here? Yes, I feel it too, everyone.
Who is in this painting, Grace?
It is my mother, by the window.
Now I understand it completely, Grace. This is love, passed down to you. Now, it is time to decide. The winner of this contest is Grace!
Mom won! I cannot believe it! You really, truly did it, Mom.
I always knew you could do it.
We did this together, my loves.
Your painting has something mine lacks. It has heart. Real, true heart.
Thank you, Mr. Lawson. That means a lot.
Do you still think it is cheating?
No. Not even a little bit.
I am sorry for what I said before.
It is all right. Thank you.
Will you paint with me sometime, Grace?
I would truly love that, Mr. Lawson. I could not have done this without all of you. And for my dear mother, too. She is not here anymore, but I know she is proud of me.
Real art is not about being perfect.
It is about being truly real.
And believing in yourself always, too.
I am so proud of you, Grace.
My lucky rock helped a little too. We are all so proud of you, Mom.
This is the best day ever!
I am proud of all of us.
Thank you all for a wonderful fair. Hey everyone, you are not going to believe this. Grace, look. You are on the front page.
I still cannot believe this is real.
You are truly famous now, Mom. Can we keep this newspaper forever?
Of course we can, my love.
Do you remember who taught Mom to paint? I know, I really do.
Wait, Ellie. Let them guess first.
Write your answer in the comments below.
Thank you for watching our story.
We will see you next time, everyone.